Hey everyone, it's me again. We have another vehicles here. I'm getting ready to share you guys some tips how I easily open this door that is locked. If you ever had a Honda Civic like this and the door from the inside and the outside and doesn't open the lock, usually the problem is a common issue when it comes to this Honda Civic like this. The mechanical door lock inside that the door is usually the spring break off and you cannot open it. You just pulling your door handle or your door handle from the inside or the outside. The worst case what's gonna happen is gonna break your door handle, just like what happened to the original one, and I just replaced that one right there. But this video right here, I'm gonna show you the tips and trick how I open it easily. Yep, check it out guys. Don't panic, don't take it to the body shop, because body shop will definitely cost you more money trying to open this door, because the door will not open from the inside or the outside. So now how you gonna open it exactly? But I'm gonna show you some mechanical issue, why the reason why it happened. Yep, check this video out guys. I hope this video helped you guys out there. How I unlock this jam broken lock actuator Civic. Pretty much it's all the same when it comes to Honda Civic. It's the same lock that they use. You got an actuator or non-actuator. So remember that this electronic actuator is controlled by your remote, and then this one would actuator to unlock your door lock to open and close. So same thing on the regular manual without it. This thing is the same thing that it works. It's just an extra actuator motor to electronically unlock your vehicles. So it don't matter if it's electronic or not. It does the same functioning on the lock assembly on this mechanical door lock on when it comes to, I believe, the 88 to 2000 Honda Civic. Yep, it's all the same. I experienced this a lot, so you guys not alone. Because yep, I know this is the most common problem out there, that people never had never figure out how to unlock unlock the door, because the door was jammed. You will not open from the inside, you will not open from the outside, so the door panel is stuck there. To be able to open from the inside, you have to kind of rip the whole door panel out to be able to get there. So this is what I say. This is my tips I'm gonna tell you guys. This is how I did it. I'm gonna show you guys some quick tips how I did it. So you pretty much have to take the door panel out. After you took the whole door panel or enough to get there, just rip it apart. Just get your hand in there to be able to get to this actuator and in the lock, and then you have to remove the actuator first, so we have better access to the main lock. So because what happened on this lock right here, this is from the outside door handle, so this is attached to here, attached to that. So every time you pull this door handle from the outside, this one would pull up. It will pull up and to open the door, just like that. See that? I'm doing this for one hand, that's what I'm struggling. So this for the outside right here to open the door. Same, this one right here is from the inside to open the door, you know. And this purple clip right here, that one's for the actuator, and the actuator is attached to the bottom right here. So the actuator is attached to the bottom like this, and then it would unlock it. It would goes right there. See, it will unlock it like that, just like that. That's how the actuator attached to this mechanical lock and electronic lock. And then when it's like that, you just gotta remove this out. When you remove this one, you got better access to it. And then even though you unlock this door lock thing, and it still wanna unlock, it still wanna open. So you feel like, oh man, how am I gonna do this? So some people don't know how to do this. They recommend removing the whole door, replace the whole door, or cut the door from the outside and get access to it and break this one, and you drill this thing right here. A lot of people do crazy things, but me, you don't need to do all that stuff, because this one right here, you can do it on your own, or the people who never done this before, I'm gonna show you tips and tricks that never figure out how to unlock this door actuator on a Honda Civic or a Honda Acura or any Honda, or I think, or any vehicles, I believe, because I believe all the door lock on the car is all the same thing, you know. So to be able to get to this right here, there's the little pin in there, because it's a spring that's supposed to pull that pin so you can unlock this lock right here. So when you I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna show you guys. So when you trying to unlock this, see right here, you pull it, it's locked, right? Now it cannot open. Even though you're trying to pull this handle, still will not open. See that? It doesn't open at all. And this from the outside handle, it doesn't open at all. See, it's still stuck. So same thing this one, and from the inside, you pull it, it's still stuck. It doesn't, even when you unlock it, it's still stuck. It doesn't do anything at all. Unlock it, pull it, it doesn't open at all. See that? It doesn't open at all. See, unlock it. See, it doesn't. Same thing here. You unlock the door, it still will not open at all. So this means there's a spring inside this mechanical lock that is jammed and broken, is unsprung. So that's why it doesn't open. So the only way, the reason why this thing break and get seized up could be rusty. It could be somebody trying to open it and they broke the handle and they pushed it too hard and eventually jammed the door lock inside there and the spring broke off. And same thing from the inside. Those things could happen. So the best way to unlock this, when you remove that, and this door actuator lock should still attach to the door. So by get to the door panel from the inside, there's a little pin inside here. See that little pin right there? I'm gonna show you. That's why you have to move the actuator out from here, because you get better access. So this one right here, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna kind of rip it because it'll be easier to see, you guys to understand what I'm talking about. See a little pin right there. There's a pin, just a little pin there that you can actually. I'm gonna rip it apart so you can see it. See right there? I'm gonna break it. It's already broken. See right there? See, that's the one right here. So I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see it better. I'm gonna zoom in. So see that little silver thing right there? That one, that's the one right there that you have to pull it down with the pick. So obviously, so we're gonna pull that down with the pin. So you get right there, you're gonna pull that down. See, you got the little hook. Get the hook right there, hook it to the pin. You hook it like that and you pull it. When you pull it, see that right there? You get to pull it like that. When you pull that, now eventually it will unlock. See? It's unlocked. So there you go. Pull that little pin. This on the side. So, it's locked right now. It doesn't go. So you just, yep, that. Just doing that. Just pushing it down. Just pushing it down like that. Just like that. That's how you pull it. Bam! That's how you unlock it. Even though this one right here, he said, do we have to be unlock or unlock? It doesn't really matter if it's unlock or unlock. You could just pull it down. You could just, so if you're in the door, you have the door like this. So when you have the door like this, and you could just door lock. You go like this. You put your pin like this. Like door. So you pretend this is the door right here, right? This is the door lock. And this is the hitch. And this is the door panel. It's door panel. So you put your hand like that. And then go around the area underneath this. Around underneath. Go around. Go around underneath this. And you can put a little rod. You can put a little rod with like stop. You can put a little rod like this. And you put the rod and you pull it. So you go like this, put your hand like this, pull it. So you can put this and then try like that. Bam. That thing eventually will open. See? Look. See? Just like that. Lock. It's lock and then. See? Just like that, guys. That's how I get it, man. If you ever had the same issue like this on a Honda Civic, that's how you unlock it, guys. Because nobody can ever unlock this lock. if you don't know exactly what to do and where's the little pin to do it at. Because if not, you'd be stuck spending all the money replacing your door, the whole door assembly and all that stuff. But the only thing you're gonna end up having a problem with and replacing it is the door panel. Because the door panel is be stuck there and be broken. You have to rip it no matter what, because the only way you can get in there. Yep, pretty much what it is, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. And if you're having the same issue like this, don't forget to check this video. This video right here will save you going to the body shop. I have a friend that he came by and looked at it. He worked for a body shop. I give him a chance to unlock it. I'm trying to test him out. So I told him, bro, check this out. And he worked for a body shop for like 10 years. And then he said, yeah, I could do this. But he used to the like other vehicles like Ford, GM, stuff like that. He's used to those stuff. But when it comes to Honda and Acura, he doesn't really know much about it. So I'm a little Honda guy, so pretty much I know a little bit about it, not too much. But so he ended up I trying to give him a chance, like, hey man, unlock that for me, because he's a body man, so he knows this thing, right? So he went over there, spent about 30 minutes or an hour. He couldn't figure out either. He was like, man, I can't get this going, Romel. So I told him, what do you recommend? So I kind of test him out. I wish I could video him, ask him what you should recommend. So he recommended that you have to cut the door panel, you know? You have to cut the door panel. So I'm gonna show you the door panel. Check it out, guys. Yep, this is the one right here. So you just gotta get a new panel. That's the only way you get it. Now you go lock it. Pull it. Lock.